So this is how you migrate from Magento to Shopify. I have here the sample Magento site, and what we'll do now, we'll complete the migration to Shopify. I'm logging in now to the admin panel. All right, so to migrate products, we go to the system, import, export, and press the export, choose the entity type of products, and the export file format should be CSV. Now we scroll to the bottom of that page, and there is this continue button. Press that button, and it will download us the CSV file. All right, here's that CSV file, and now we need to give a name for this file so that the Excelify app can know that we are actually migrating Magento products. And so the file needs to contain a word Magento and products. So we could just add it here and keep the date as it is. Now we go to the Excelify app and press here and upload that Magento exported file. So it's analyzing now the file, and you see it found 593 products and 26 smart collections. It's because it's generating from that product data. It will generate the smart collections with all those products in the right categories. Now here is this Magento Short URL. It's needed so that we can migrate the images from your Magento store, so we need to know what's your URL. And I'll just paste the URL which I'm forwarding to my Magento. But basically here it can be your Magento store domain name. And now we could press import now, and that would run the real import. But additional thing that you can do is you can run it as a dry run here. Under the options, there is this checkbox. You run it as a dry run, and now if we press import, it will actually run through the whole conversion process, and it will convert it to the Excelify format, but it will not import just yet. And so what it will give to us, the ability to look at the file before we actually import, and we can make any changes we like to this file and review that everything is okay, and only then import. Right, so this was very quick because it was not actually importing anything, so it was just converting the file. Now here we can download that file. Okay, so this is that Excel file which is converted from the Magento CSV file. We have all the attributes filled in, and you see there are two sheets, the products and smart collections. And so for products, a thing to notice is that we have here this file name, image file column, and image path column. This was in your CSV file, and from that we automatically calculated the image source for the image. So if we copy this image link and paste it in the browser, it should open the image in the browser. If it doesn't open, it means that the app was not able to find the correct links for the images, and so you might need to correct those paths to the right images. Maybe you need to find the place and replace to correct paths. But usually, if you have the Magento with default settings and you have put there your server name, the Magento, that the rest is automatically calculated by the app. And so you see here are the options with options, the color, sizes, the variant SKU, the prices, and the quantity. And if there is anything strange during conversion, you will see that in this conversion comment column. There will be some text telling you what was wrong, but at the moment we have everything defined here. And so with the smart collections, it's a very similar thing. Here we have all the handle, the title of each of the categories that you have in the Magento. They will be imported as published in all channels. And since those are the smart collections or automated collections, so here are the rules defined or the conditions that we are taking tags that are equal to these specific tags. And those tags are here. Products have a specific tag that belongs to this category. And that's how the Shopify will know to link the products from those categories to the correct automated collections. Right, let's suppose we have done any changes we need here, and let's import this file. So it's import results something, and again we go here to the import, and now we choose the Excel file, upload it again to the Excelify, and this time it says that it recognizes it as format Excelify, and we don't change any options, nothing, we just press import. Alright, so the import is now finished, and you see that all those are created as new. Now if we go to our store and to collections, we see that now all the Magento collections are migrated here to our Shopify store, and the products are also here, and their variants with sizes and everything, and description, and all the images, they are here. Now under collections, here are all, now under the products, here are all the migrated products, and under collections, here are all the smart collections. Yeah, and just in case, if you have here showing some number of failed items, you can then again download the import results file as earlier, and in that file this time you can see, since this was the real import, you can scroll all the way to the right, and you will see here the columns import result and import comment, and here now it shows all okay, but it might show failed, and here in the comment it will show what's the reason for failing. And so that way you can fix it, and you can import, just take those, for example, those rows which failed, fix them, copy to a new file like this, and import just the failed rows once again, and the app will update them to the correct data. Yep. Just in case, if you need any help, contact us, our support, the Excelify homepage. Here there's this contact us section, and see you.